Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Expert, your home for everything on wheels, where we dive into classic legends and modern beasts alike. Today, we're stepping away from two wheels and taking a nostalgic ride into automotive history with one of the most iconic American classics of all time, the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. A symbol of the American dream. The 1957 Chevy Bel Air wasn't just a car, it was a cultural phenomenon. It represented post-war optimism, booming style, and the golden age of the American automobile. With its sleek lines, dazzling chrome, and signature tail fins, the 57 Bel Air turned heads then, and still does today. It came to symbolize the spirit of 1950s America, bold, flashy, and full of promise. Design that defined an era. What made the 1957 Bel Air so visually stunning was its revolutionary design. The bold front grille, hooded headlights, and the sweeping tail fins with anodized aluminum trim gave it an upscale look. It wasn't just a car. It was a piece of art on wheels. The Bel Air hardtop coupe, in particular, became the poster child of 1950s design excellence. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Bel Air offered more than just good looks. It came equipped with several engine options, including the legendary 283 cubic inch V8. With the optional, fuel-injected version, the Bel Air was one of the first production cars to hit the magic 1 horsepower per cubic inch mark, a true engineering milestone. Smooth, powerful, and confident on the road, it was as enjoyable to drive as it was to admire. Interior elegance. Step inside the 1957 Bel Air, and you're greeted with vintage luxury. Chrome accents, two-tone vinyl upholstery, and a dashboard that looks like it was designed in a spaceship. This car was built to impress both inside and out. Every detail, from the steering wheel to the gauge cluster, was a blend of style and innovation. Popularity that never faded. Even decades later, the 1957 Bel Air remains a top pick among collectors and enthusiasts. It's a frequent winner at car shows and a prized possession for those lucky enough to own one. Restored models can fetch six-figure prices, and original versions are treasured like rare jewels. The Bel Air isn't just old, it's timeless. Influence on car culture. The 57 Chevy didn't just make waves, it changed the tide. It inspired countless designs, featured in countless movies and songs, and became a symbol of freedom and style. The car is so popular, it even has clubs, meetups, and fan communities dedicated solely to preserving its legacy. Final thoughts. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air is more than a classic car. It's a piece of American history, a symbol of a time when cars were built with passion, flair, and bold ideas. Whether you're a collector, a fan of vintage rides, or simply someone who appreciates great design, the 57 Bel Air is a legend that deserves every bit of praise. Thanks for watching. That wraps up our ride through the legacy of the 1957 Chevy Bel Air.